Now this is a hidden gem. We are in Bali, Indonesia. It not only has awesome views, but some of the best food in Bali. So let's go. So, you got to pay with a FAS card or a toll card. Once you're through the gates, you just go straight past this roundabout, the new big statue. Benoa, Bali. This is where the cruise ships go from. They come into here and dock. Come right to the end of this road. And in through these gates, and that's the Blackstone restaurant. International Yacht Club, marina. We'll go now and check out some of the boats. Okay, so this is it. It's the Blackstone Cafe at the International Yacht Club, International Marina. So we're going to go in and check it out. Hey. Hello. Hey. Alright, so this is the International Marina where all the big boats come in. There's absolutely massive boats in here. Check this thing out. Wow, check out the size of that catamaran. It's absolutely huge. As you can see, there's all seating along the front here. Outside it's a little bit hot, there's no umbrellas. You can sit out around here. So we'll go around here and check out some of these boats. There's also a swimming pool on the front if you want to swim. So we decided to sit outside. It's less windy out here under the umbrellas and it's a better view of the boats. So Yuli ordered some rib soup, beef rib soup, and also come with some white rice and krupuk and sambal. Looks really, really good. Just check that out for a club sandwich. Wow, I can't believe the price of it. It's definitely a hidden gem, this place. It's a secret. Only locals really come out here to the marina. The tourists don't really know about it that much. And I tell you what, this looks damn good. So we'll hook into a bite of this club sandwich and see what it's like. I tell you what, it's bloody good too. Check out the size of the beef ribs in there, they're huge. How much was that, Yuli?
75,000.
It's about $7 for this with the rice,
No,
which is a good price.
Extra.
Oh, it's extra for the rice?
Yeah. With
So it's about 85,000 with rice, about $8.
Oh, God.
It's good. Okay, I'm going to hook into this club sandwich. And I'll see you after lunch. Look at the size of these ribs. So that's it for lunch, and it was really enjoyable out here at the International Marina in Benoa Harbour. So what did you think, Yuli?
Nice. Wonderful. Happy wife, happy life.
Happy wife, happy life, eh? Anyway, and bankrupt husband.
No.
Anyway, it was really good out here. As you can see all the boats behind us. It's a great spot to come and visit. So come and check out the Blackstone Cafe at Benoa Harbour at the International Marina. All right. So it's about 200,000, about $20 Australian, or about $15 US. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, minta lagi 100 lagi itu.
It's toilet.
Okay, so what do you give that as a rating?
9.
So gives it a 9 out of 10. I give it about an 8 out of 10. The food was really good and the position's good, so it's at least an 8. Anyway, on the bike. On the bike, and I'll just show you around Benoa Harbour. We'll have a ride around the harbour and show you all the fishing boats. Some absolutely massive statues. They're all new. There's about 4 new giant statues here. How's that? It's massive. There's a lot of factories and that along here. It's all fish storage, something to do with the ships or the boats. These are all the tuna boats that go right down near Australian waters, miles down. Where they're building the boats, doing maintenance and building boats. It's a big seafood restaurant.